everyone, welcome to my channel. Today's going to be a tutorial on this look right here. I am using the 35O2. Today is going to be a tutorial using the 35O2 palette from Morphe. So this is it right here. If you are all familiar with the 35O, with the very famous 35O, I don't have that palette, but I did pick up this one a long time ago, and it is very in tune to the month of October, fall, and yeah, so if you want to see how I got this look, it's a very simple halo eye. Please keep on watching. For anything else, hello, my name is Sahar. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, if you want to see more videos from me, and comment down below what you'd like to see next, I guess. You know, what other videos would you like to see. So yeah, thank you so much. Okay, on to the tutorial. That was just lame. So when I received this palette, it came with like a sticker with the names, which I just stuck here at the back so that I know which colors I'm using. I suggest you do that if you don't want to throw away the name sheet. So first off, I'm going in with the color Universal, and I'm just going to be using that as my transition shade. I'm going in with the color Heat, which is like a burnt orange, and I'll just be focusing that a little bit lower than my crease, or maybe like on the crease but lower than that transition shade. I'll just be blending in the two together, so I'm going to take in some of that Universal shade again, and I'll just be blending the two in. To intensify the orange a little bit, I'm going to be taking the color Fire, just a little bit. So now I'm thinking of doing a halo eye, so I'm going to be doing some concealer in the topmost part of my lid. This is the Colourpop concealer. It's just always what I use for cut creases and halo eyes. Taking a clean flat brush, so just basically on that area in the center. I kind of open my eyes to see where I can start drawing, so basically that's good. I'm going in with the color Heat again, just to smudge out any of those harsh lines where I put the concealer. So you can see it kind of blends into the lightest part where we're going to be putting some gold. Before I go in with the gold, I'm going to go in with the color Bronzy, just to give it a little bit more of depth. So as you can see, it's kind of subtle, and I want it to pop a little bit more. So I'm going in with the lightest shade in this palette called Pure. And I'm going in with my finger, so because I want it to be a little bit more intense, and I'll just pop that right onto the bronzy color, just right on top, and I'm smudging it out just a teeny tiny bit to give it a little bit more of a seamless look. So as you can see, it looks a little bit more seamless and more put together, and a little bit more of a halo effect, which I absolutely love. For the bottom lashes, I'm going in first with the color Universal, which we use as our transition shade. Oh gosh. And I'll just put that right all over my eyes. So I'm going to put that a little bit lower than I usually do, because I want to do a smoky, really like smoky effect. And this is just a transition shade, so it's okay. Over that, I'm going in with the color Heat, so I'll just be focusing that near the lash line. And then I'm going in lastly with the color Fire, which is that gorgeous red shade, just on right on the line. So I'm taking a little bit more of that Universal shade and on the clean brush, tapping off a lot of the excess and just smoking that just to make it look a little bit more seamless. Okay, so we're kind of done with the look. I just have to do my lashes, my lips, and I'll be right back. Hey everyone, so I am back, and this is the final look. I just paired it off with some claws. I got this from Princess Nails. I will be linking her Instagram down below. And yeah, I just think that since it's October and it's autumn, and yeah, I need some fake nails. I'm not really allowed to wear nail polish in where I work, so fake nails is great, especially if I only do it for videos. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. My highlight is from the Carli Bybel Deluxe palette, and I really love the highlights in her palette. BH Cosmetics is amazing. So this is the look I created using the Morphe 35O2 palette for autumn or fall, and I'm going to be doing more tutorials using other kinds of palettes and maybe even using this one in the near future. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and thumbs up this video if you liked it, and please comment down below what's your favorite fall trend or what you'd like to see in the future. So thank you so much. I'll see you in my next one. Bye!